A brand new house and lot in Antel Grand Village, Cavite na may lot area na 100 square meter or floor area na 78.95 square meter. Sa loob, makikita natin na spacious living and dining area. At ito naman ang kitchen sink na meron ng built-in cabinets. At ito naman ang ating bathroom. At sa taas ay makikita natin spacious bedrooms. Ito ang ating first room na meron ng built-in cabinets. Ito naman ang ating second room. Meron na ring built-in cabinets. At door access palabas ng ating balcony. At ito naman ang ating third room. Meron din sa railing built-in cabinet. At ito naman ang ating bathroom sa taas. Sa likod ay makikita natin ang door access palabas ng ating utility area. At ito naman ang ating parking space. For more info, contact us on this number or PM us on this Facebook page.